So now we can add some bigger trees over here. We'll just get our fan brush and start putting on trunk. And we'll come down to about here. There we go. I'm just using some black paint. And then I'm going to just use the corner of my brush. Well, first of all, I'm going to get a nice little top. And I'm going to use the corner of my brush just to tap here like this. And I'm going to come back and forth. Just put on a few little branches. There we go. Start in the middle and I'm going to pull out. Tap out. Okay. Start in the middle, tap out. Get the shape of that tree. Helps a lot when you start in the middle and move out. So as you get down to the bottom, you can push a little harder. Get a nice bottom to it. There's a smaller tree here. Same thing, just get a little top. And then you can start putting in, just going back and forth. Start in the middle, move out. The middle, move out. The middle, move out. And then push at the bottom there. Good. Nice little trees. Now, you can get a pointier top by taking a liner brush and putting black on it. And then putting a straight line going up, so a nice tall top. Sometimes a fan brush won't give it to you. So they're nice tall tops, they look nice. You can put a little dabs up here too. Liner brush. Little trees over here might look nice. One here. And one here. Well, maybe further away because... And maybe one small one here, just kind of leaning over. Just give it a change. Just give it a little bit of a different look. I'll put another one here. Put it everywhere. Just use your fan brush. Back and forth. The middle and out. Middle and out. trees. Be best to probably wait for the black to dry so you can put some nice, a little bit of blue and some white. Don't want them too chalky looking. Alright, and then we will take our brush and we will start putting a bit of snow on them. Just to the corner of your brush, and you skip over a few darks. You want to keep some of the darks. Okay. So this tree could be in front of that one back here. And make sure you don't have too much paint on your brush because you lose control. We don't want to lose control. As long as you skip over some of the black, you will make it look more realistic. Alright, so I'll put a little bit of snow up here. Just gently using the corner of my brush because I don't want to dab it on too thick. If you dab it on too thick, you can always go back and put your black back in, but then you gotta wait for it to dry again and all that stuff. So just take your time. Try to imagine where branches are. And how big they are. Good. Pick up more paint. Good. Put as much snow as you think you need. I guess it depends on where you live, how much snow you get. We get lots of snow here in Newfoundland. Nice. Gives it a nice look, doesn't it? Let's do the other trees there now. So the sun was coming in from the right because you can see it's on the mountains. So these trees will be lighter. I'll put some more on there, but over here we'll have it more of a bluish color. Just so it'll look like it's in shadow, okay? Start wherever you want. Top. Come down. You can sort of go back and forth like you did when you were making them originally. That way you just tap it on. And make sure you leave some black in between. Okay. Looks nice. And the other tree. See how the blue gives it that really nice shadowy color? Nice and blue and shadowy, isn't that nice? I'd add a little bit of white, just a little bit here, because the sun might be hitting off there, who knows? Just a little sparkle here and there. Here. Maybe, we don't know because we're not there, but we'll use our imagination and think that maybe the sun is hitting off a few. Use a little bit of sparkle. Now we'll do the other side where we know the sun is hitting off. The sun is hitting off up here, so it's going to brighten up some of these edges here. We'll go in with the snow. So pick up the bluish white color. We'll take the snow and put it in between the trees here so it looks like the trees are buried in snow. That'll give it a finished look. And same way over here. You can start anywhere, wherever you're comfortable. Just bring it down with the rest of the snow just to make sure it all blends together. Okay, just scrub it down. There we go, that looks good. Yeah, they're nice trees. All right. Well, thank you for painting along with me. I hope you enjoyed that painting. And if you did enjoy that painting, leave a comment below in the comment section. Let me know what you liked about that painting. What part of that painting did you like? What was your favorite part? And if you have any questions about brushes or paints or anything about the painting itself, just email me at allisonpryor@yahoo.com or leave a comment down below. And I will see you in the next video.